Are mechanics keeping secrets from you? What if you could save hundreds, maybe even thousands, on car repairs just by knowing a few simple tricks? Your car is one of your biggest investments, but many mechanics won't tell you the little maintenance tips that can extend its life and save you a fortune. In this video, we're revealing 13 car maintenance secrets that can prevent costly repairs, boost performance, and keep your vehicle running like new. Before we dive in, smash that like button, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss out on expert car tips. Let's get started. Owning a car is a long-term investment, and proper maintenance is essential to keeping it running smoothly for years. Many people rely on dealerships and mechanics for simple fixes, often spending unnecessary money on services that can be done at home with little effort. By learning some key maintenance secrets, you can save hundreds, if not thousands, of dollars while ensuring your car stays in top condition. From resetting warning lights to checking your coolant levels, these expert tips will help you take control of your vehicle's maintenance, avoid costly repairs, and improve your car's performance. Let's dive into 13 must-know car maintenance secrets every owner should be aware of. 13. Reset the maintenance required light yourself. The maintenance required light on your dashboard can be intimidating, but it's not always as serious as it seems. Manufacturers set these reminders to alert you to routine services, like oil changes, usually at predetermined mileage intervals, typically every 5,000 to 15,000 miles. While it's important to keep up with regular maintenance, don't let this warning light pressure you into a costly dealership visit. Instead, look up how to reset it for your specific car model. It's often as simple as pressing a button combination while the car is off. A check engine light doesn't always mean you need a mechanic. Investing in an OBD2 scanner, which costs around $30 to $40, allows you to diagnose problems yourself. Simply plug it into your car's OBD2 port, found under the dashboard, and retrieve error codes that tell you exactly what's wrong. Many issues are minor and can be fixed at home, saving you time and unnecessary repair costs. 12. Bleed the brake system. During pad replacement, if you're replacing your brake pads, don't skip opening the bleeder valve before compressing the caliper. Why? Because pushing old brake fluid back into your system can damage sensitive parts, especially the ABS module. Instead, open the bleeder valve while compressing the caliper to release old, contaminated brake fluid, preventing long-term issues. Just make sure the master cylinder doesn't run dry while doing this. 11. Don't waste money on additives. Gasoline and motor oil already contain necessary additives from the manufacturer, making most fuel and oil additives unnecessary for modern vehicles. However, there are exceptions. Diesel engines, additives help prevent fuel gelling, boost cetane levels, and keep injectors clean, especially in cold weather. Older gasoline engines. If you have a high-mileage vehicle or use low-quality fuel, additives like Techron or Seafoam can help clean the fuel system and improve performance. For most drivers, regular oil changes and quality fuel are all your engine needs. Skip the extra costs of magic potions. 10. Check the coolant level. If your heater blows cold air. If your car's heater is blowing cold air instead of warm, you likely have low coolant levels. The heater core relies on hot coolant to warm the air, so if it's low, you'll get cold or lukewarm air instead. Check your coolant level and top it off if necessary. If the issue persists, you may have a coolant leak or a faulty thermostat. Fixing this simple issue can make a huge difference in keeping you warm during winter. 9. Car batteries lose life. Just sitting on the shelf. Did you know that even unused car batteries lose charge over time? Once a battery is filled with acid at the factory, it starts degrading, even if it's never installed. Tips for buying a battery. Always check the manufacturing date before purchasing. Choose a battery less than a month old for the best performance. Avoid big box stores as their inventory often sits for months. Charge your new battery for 1 to 2 hours before installing it to activate it fully. Regular terminal cleaning also extends your battery life and ensures a solid electrical connection. 8. Get more performance. From your spark plugs. Spark plugs ignite the air-fuel mixture inside your engine, directly affecting performance, fuel efficiency, and emissions. Modern iridium spark plugs can last 100,000 miles if your engine when to replace spark plugs. If your engine misfires, struggles to start, or feels sluggish. If the electrodes are worn or covered in carbon buildup, always replace with the manufacturer recommended type for the best results. Fresh spark plugs improve combustion efficiency, leading to better fuel economy and smoother performance. 7. Stop overfilling your gas tank. It may be tempting to squeeze in a little extra gas after the pump clicks off, but this habit can cause more harm than good. Overfilling your gas tank can damage your vehicle's vapor recovery system, which is designed to prevent harmful gasoline vapors from escaping into the environment. Why overfilling is a bad idea. Wasted fuel and money. Gasoline may spill out or get stuck in the fuel filler neck, leading to unnecessary waste. Potential damage to emission components. Your vehicle's vapor recovery system can become saturated with excess fuel, leading to expensive repairs. Environmental impact. Overfilling contributes to harmful vapor emissions, which are bad for both air quality and the ozone layer. What to do instead? Stop fueling as soon as the pump clicks off. Your tank is full, and forcing in more fuel won't improve efficiency. 6. Replace your air filters regularly. Your car's air filter is responsible for ensuring that clean air enters the engine. A dirty or clogged air filter can restrict airflow, reducing performance and fuel efficiency, and even leading to engine strain. When to replace your air filter. Every 12,000 to 15,000 miles under normal driving conditions. More frequently if you drive in dusty or polluted areas. Why air filters matter. Better fuel efficiency. A clean air filter ensures that your engine burns fuel more efficiently. Improved acceleration and performance. Your engine needs the right air-to-fuel ratio to run smoothly. Longer engine life. Keeping dirt and debris out of your engine prevents premature wear. How to check it. Simply pop the hood, locate the air filter box, unclip it, and inspect the filter. If it looks dirty or clogged, replace it. This is one of the cheapest and easiest maintenance tasks you can do. 5. Check the PCV valve regularly. The positive crankcase ventilation (PCV) valve is a small but essential component that prevents harmful gases from building up in your engine. If the valve becomes clogged, it can cause poor performance, increased oil consumption, and even engine sludge. How to check. If your PCV valve is bad, shake test. Remove the PCV valve and shake it. If it rattles, it's still working. Airflow test. Try blowing air through it. It should only flow in one direction. If air flows both ways, the valve is faulty. Why it's important. A faulty PCV valve is inexpensive to replace, typically $20 to $40, but can save you from costly engine repairs in the long run. 4. Change engine oil and transmission fluid on time. Oil and transmission fluid are lifelines for your car's engine and transmission. Changing them at the right intervals ensures smooth performance, reduces wear, and prevents breakdowns. When to change engine oil. Synthetic oil, every 5,000 to 7,500 miles. Conventional oil, every 3,000 to 5,000 miles. Heavy-duty use. Towing, stop-and-go traffic, extreme conditions. More frequent changes are recommended. When to change transmission. Fluid. Every 30,000 to 60,000 miles, varies by manufacturer. If you drive in heavy traffic or tow frequently, consider changing it sooner. Skipping these intervals can lead to costly engine and transmission failures. Regular maintenance is much cheaper than repairs. 3. Keep your tires at the right pressure. Proper tire pressure is essential for your vehicle's safety, performance, and longevity. Both underinflated and overinflated tires can cause uneven wear, reduce traction, and increase the risk of blowouts. Underinflated tires create excessive friction, leading to overheating and higher fuel consumption, while overinflated tires reduce grip and make handling unpredictable. Checking and maintaining the correct tire pressure improves fuel efficiency, enhances stability, and extends tire life. Always refer to your owner's manual or the sticker inside the driver's door for the recommended PSI. Regular pressure checks can prevent costly repairs and keep you safe on the road. Best tire maintenance practices. Check tire pressure monthly using a reliable tire gauge. Follow manufacturer-recommended PSI, which can be found on the driver's door sticker. Rotate your tires every 5,000 to 8,000 miles to promote even wear. Why proper tire pressure matters. Better gas mileage. Underinflated tires increase rolling resistance, causing your car to burn more fuel. Increased safety. Properly inflated tires improve braking and handling and reduce blowout risks. Extended tire life. Balanced pressure prevents uneven wear, saving you money on premature replacements. Invest in a digital tire pressure gauge and portable inflator to keep your tires at optimal levels. 2. Don't overlook brake fluid maintenance. Brake fluid is one of the most overlooked yet essential components of your car's braking system. It transfers force from the brake pedal to the wheels, ensuring smooth and responsive braking. However, over time, brake fluid absorbs moisture from the air, which can lead to internal corrosion, reduced performance, and even brake failure. A spongy or unresponsive brake pedal is often a sign that your brake fluid has deteriorated and needs to be replaced. When to change brake fluid? Every 2 to 3 years, or as specified in your owner's manual. If your brakes feel spongy, weak, or slow to respond, a fluid check is necessary. If you notice dark or dirty brake fluid, it's time for a replacement. Neglecting brake fluid maintenance can compromise your safety, increasing the risk of brake failure during emergency stops. Regularly flushing and replacing the fluid ensures strong, reliable braking and prevents costly repairs. A well-maintained braking system keeps you and your passengers safe on the road. Don't wait until your brakes fail. Check your brake fluid regularly and follow the manufacturer's recommendations for a replacement. A simple fluid change can make all the difference in your car's stopping power and overall safety. 1. Inspect belts and hoses for wear. Your car's belts and hoses play a crucial role in powering vital systems like the alternator, water pump, and air conditioning. Belts ensure components run smoothly, while hoses transport essential fluids to keep the engine cool and functioning properly. If a belt snaps, it can lead to electrical failure or engine shutdown. A leaking hose can cause overheating, leading to severe engine damage and costly repairs. Regular inspections and timely replacements help prevent breakdowns and extend your vehicle's lifespan. Ignoring worn-out belts and hoses could leave you stranded with expensive repair bills, so proper maintenance is key. How to check belts and hoses. Look for cracks, fraying, or shiny spots on belts. These indicate wear. Run your hand along hoses when the engine is cool to check for soft spots, cracks, or leaks. Taking care of your car doesn't have to be expensive or complicated, and now you have 13 powerful car maintenance tips that most mechanics won't tell you, because they'd rather make money off unnecessary repairs. By following these simple steps, you can extend your car's lifespan, boost fuel efficiency, and avoid costly breakdowns. From keeping your tires properly inflated to changing your oil on time and checking your PCV valve, each of these tips empowers you to take control of your vehicle's health without relying on expensive mechanics. There you have it, 13 car maintenance secrets that mechanics don't want you to know. Now that you're armed with this knowledge, you can keep your car running smoothly, save money, and avoid unnecessary repairs. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to smash that like button, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on more expert car tips. Thanks for watching, stay safe on the road, and I'll catch you in the next one.